Okay, here we are. We're going to replace my broken waste disposal unit with the Waste King L-8000. This is a one horse unit, so let's just open it up and see what we've got in here. So nicely packaged. Here it is. Let's get it out. Okay, so what we got? Nice lead, nicely made. This is your input from your dishwasher and your output, the output. It's got a cam lock collar on it. Here's adapters, the plug, and fittings to mount that. Okay, so this is different to the one that I currently have on my sink, so I am going to have to change all of this bit, but that's okay, that's okay. So looks like we're going to unscrew this. Let's have a look, see how this works. Take the rubber coming off, take this off. Okay, so we're going to drop that in the sink, and then that's the rubber seal to seal up against the sink. This is the gasket for underneath. Okay, pretty straightforward. Guess let's go fit it. Cheers. Okay, so working under sinks is one of my least favourite occupations. First thing you do is make sure it is unplugged. Then we're going to disconnect the dishwasher pipe. And this is going to be full of water, so that'll probably, so you want to make sure that you don't let it go on the floor because it'll leak everywhere. So I'm just going to prop that up over there. Next thing, we're going to make sure we disconnect from the sink itself. Let's get rid of it from here as well. So we'll take this pipe out completely. Okay, well, it's all loose. Next thing, this is on like a bayonet, so if I just chop that, it's going to come up there. Oh, mess. Okay. Get a cloth. So what's happened with mine, I had about an uncontainment, so the water went down and into the motor, and took the breaker out, and then just spewed black water everywhere. Okay, so we'll get rid of this old one out of the way. Okay, so now we're going to take this off. How's that mounted? Okay, I need a screwdriver. Let me go and get a screwdriver. Okay, well, I think this flathead will do. Just unscrew from here. There you go. Okay. God, what a mess. Okay. Let's go that off. Okay, now I've got that disconnected. Now this one was glued in old putty, so we've got to make sure we get rid of all of that old putty. Make sure it's all nice and clean. If you leave any of this old stuff in here, it'll just give you a leak. Be careful, this is a little sharp, cut yourself. Okay, that's pretty good. Get the new one. Make sure the seal is tucked in nicely. Okay. Now we've got the gasket and the nut, which is going to go on underneath. So let's do that. Do it up tight. Okay. There you go. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's fit underneath. Okay, so I've got the old outlet pipe but with the new fittings. Get on there. Okay, so drop it in there. And the new screws. Nice and tight. This is the bayonet that drops on here, like that. And that goes on there, with this on here. Okay, so now I'm going to get the bayonet clamp on and the seal. Okay, like that. That's it. So the other pipe in there. Now, okay, that's on there. Okay, let's just tighten the waste pipes up with the seals. fit the dishwasher pipe on. Screw that up. Okay, this has not been too bad at all. Okay, make sure that is tight. Yeah, I think that's tight. Everything's tight. Okay, before I plug in, I'm going to run a load of water through it and just make sure that we don't get any leaks. Got no leaks from around the sink. Nothing from here. Yep, looks all good. Let's reset the breaker and plug it in. Okay, it's all, everything's on, the breaker's set. Let's plug it in and turn it on. Well, that's pretty good. Great. So, pretty simple to fit. Nicely seals up everywhere. Nicely made. I really like the fittings. So, yeah, impressed. So, there you go. That's how you do it. Okay, so in general, I'm quite impressed with the King waist, or the Waist King, I should say. It fitted really easily. Everything was very straightforward. Nice connections. The only thing I forgot to add, if you are going to fit the dishwasher to it, you have to get a punch and put it in that hole and give it a bit of a tap with a mallet to punch this plug out. And then this goes inside the waste disposal unit, and you just have to fish it out. Don't use a screwdriver or anything sharp that may puncture this and then make it hard to get out. You need a flat-ended punch like that. But other than that, very impressed. It all went together really quickly. It doesn't leak. It's really powerful, nice 1 horse. So there you go. Hope this has been helpful for you. I'll speak to you guys soon.